Okay guys, quick update on our Supercharger to Turbo project. We contacted the manufacturer and got a new tune file for the vehicle. We updated the vehicle, re-ran the vehicle, and we actually got a 54 horsepower increase and a 31 pound-feet of torque increase, bringing our new numbers to 307 horsepower and 249 pounds of torque to the wheels. We also went ahead and did a 0 to 60 run, and we pulled off a best time of 8.5 seconds. So as you can see, the tune definitely helped out the vehicle. The blue lines are the new tune, new run. Orange lines are the original tune, original run. So definitely helped it out. Next step, we're going to go ahead and pull the Supercharger off, install the turbo system, and rerun the same vehicle on the same equipment, same dyno. And then we're going to overlay the graph on top of this graph so you guys can take a look at the power increases as well as the power delivery differences between turbocharger and supercharger. So thanks for following along. We appreciate all the support, and keep watching. Thank you.